Hi guys, it's Helen from Daisy Graze Farm. We've just come to the end of the summer growing season, so we need to plan for the new growing season heading into winter, and we'll take you through our plan. Okay, a few weeks ago I started off some seedlings because I knew that the beds that these were going into still had stuff in them. So just getting a head start on a few things here. I've got some pak choi, snow peas, lettuces, a new one for this winter. We're going to start kohlrabi instead of cabbage, and kohlrabi is a good one because it's exactly like cabbage from what I've heard, but it grows quicker, so you get to harvest quicker. Here we've got broccoli and cauliflower, and as you can see, some are doing better than others. And this side over here is from old seeds, and this side is from brand new seed packets just bought. So some of them have germinated, but they're not doing great. I just thought I'd chuck them in and see how they went. But if you want to get the best seedlings growing, you need to use fresh seeds. Either harvest them from the previous crop or buy new seed packets.
Quick little drive-by of our strawberries. They don't really know what they're doing at the moment. They actually died off because our weather died right down, and then it got warm again, so they're not quite sure what they're going to do.
Here's our asparagus. I bought 3 crowns last year, and they went in spring. They're 1-year-old crowns, so they will take a couple of years to establish, but we should get some asparagus next season. We let this guy go because I didn't really have much hope for it. We've not had a great summer, but in saying that, it got to 31 or something yesterday, and it's April now, so I'm not sure what's going on. But we've got this tiny little melon, this watermelon growing, and the vine's died now, so we could just pick him off and cut him open, see what he looks like. Again, the same thing with our butternut pumpkins. They're still going, and all these guys are ready. If you can see that stalk's died off there, it's gone brown. I don't think I've shown you guys our fig tree before, but we've got tons of figs on here this year. They're only just starting to ripen up now, but hopefully the birds won't take them all and we'll get a good harvest. Okay guys, when I'm planning my garden for the next season, I have to write it down because it doesn't all fit in there. So I write down first what I want to grow, and then I work out where I'm going to put everything. So here's our raised beds. That's the main long bed there, and this L-shaped bed over here. So that way I can plot everything out and figure out which things are growing in which beds, what I need to do to prepare those beds, and if I need to get seedlings started beforehand. So along the top row here, we're going to put onions, and then down the side we're going to have swede. Going from the long bed closest to us, we'll have snow peas, then beans, kohlrabi, pak choi, and peas right down the end.
So another quick little tip that we do around here, obviously these tomatoes are spent, so we're going to do the stock standard that everybody does. We're going to take off all these green ones that probably aren't going to ripen, and we're going to make green tomato chutney. But the tip is, we actually love green tomato chutney, so we take some of this off whilst it's growing. If we know we're going to have a bumper season and we're going to have too many anyway that are ripe, you can pick them off prior and get a whole nother batch.
In this bed guys, we've still got some spinach, some leek, some spring onions, and over in that corner I'm going to pop in those lettuce seedlings. And I already did the beetroot, so that's all come up and it's looking great. Okay, here's our mega weigh-in for Shed Wars 21. – 631 grams. And John, that deserves a thumbs up.